To enhance focus in namaz, you can try the following approaches. Mindful preparation. Before starting namaz, take a few moments to clear your mind. Make wudu with the intention of cleansing not just physically, but mentally as well. Avoid distractions by choosing a quiet place and remind yourself of the significance of standing before Allah. Understand the meaning. Reflect on the meanings of the verses and supplications you are reciting. When you understand what you are saying, your mind is less likely to wander. Learning the translation of the prayers can deepen your connection and increase concentration. Visualize standing before Allah. Imagine yourself standing before Allah, being in His presence. This can create a sense of awe and humility, making it easier to stay focused on your prayer and block out distractions. These methods help in building a stronger sense of presence and concentration in your worship.